Hi everyone, welcome to Techidream Academy. In this video, I will be showing you how to use masking to create cool video effects. Let's go. But we have to import our videos first. The videos we want to make use of. We'll import this and this. This looks nice and catchy. Good. So then we are going to move our clips. We'll drag them here, this and this. So we are working on this first clip first. Let's see how it goes. We'll come here. We'll go to masking. We'll go to mask. Then you're going to add mask. We have different types of mask. We have the split, which is to split it in two faces if you want face one and face two. We have the theme stripe. We have the circle, triangle, star, hearts, text. You can create cool stuff. We have the brush and we have the pen. You can create cool stuffs with masking and it gives you a very cool video effect. But firstly, this is what we're going to make use of. We're making use of splitting, and because we want to use another video in it. So in this aspect, I'm going to drag it because I want to use it like this. So I want it in 90-degree. Yeah, so this is how it is. But we are going to drag it to the end like this. Yeah, this is very good. So we want to create masking. So we're going to select our keyframe here. Then we're going to masking it gradually. Let's see how it goes. We'll move here. The more we move this, we are creating a keyframe. The more we move this, we are creating a keyframe. Let's check this out. As we are moving, we are creating a keyframe till a certain point. It's not compulsory we use all the clips. I would trim it off at a point because it's looking quite long. Yeah, so I think I would rather stop to this point. Yeah, so that is it there. We can trim off this place. So now let's see what we just created first. So this is showing us something cool. But what do we want after this? We want this particular video to show after the one we just maxed off. So what are we going to do? We are going to drag this one up. So this one will be at the top of the video. We want it to be shown next. That we want to be shown next. So let's see how this goes. Then you can add feather to it. So the feather is going to help you and make it look smooth. So I just added feather. So if you can see, the feather is showing us that, okay, there's a particular video that wants to come up in the next one. Now let's see how it goes. Let's play it. So this is looking nice and good. Then we can add music to just make it look good. Or you can add some effects if you want it to look more cool. Let's see. We can go to video effects and we can look for, like all these lights flash. Let me look for heat. So this is light. We can make use of lights here. Yes, very good. Now let's have one of this in this aspect. So you can put this here, and now let's see how it goes. Yeah, okay. So this is giving us like a light view. Can you see? And you can add for audio, we have sound videos. You can add like a mouse click or something. Let's see like mouse click. Mouse click. I would add a song to it just for it to make it make sense. There are different kinds of sounds. It depends on the sound that you're looking for. You look on the one that best fits in. Or let's say snapshots. Snapshot sound, short sound. I don't think mouse is going. We can make use of short sound. Like, let's see this. No. You can say camera shutter. Since it's giving us a different shot ahead. So no. There's a particular sound I'm looking for. You look for the one that best fits in that you're satisfied with. Yeah, okay, we can use this. So in this, we want to make use of the sound in this place. Now let's try it out. Then let's add a song to it. that we can put this here and we will reduce the music. So you can make use of fading in the music so it should look like, oh, it's a new slow music. Oh no. Then I want to reduce this one, not everything. Then we can make use of fade out here. You trim out the audio. Then we can make use of fade out as well in this place. So now let's see what we have. Yeah, so this is giving us something so nice. Yeah, good. Oh, I think I posted and this is nice. Okay, good. This is nice. So thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techvision Academy. See you next time. Bye. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Thank you.